and I just got a grub on. Went to Roots. So delicious every single time I go there. It's just awesome. We are headed to Crabtree Falls right now to just go check out some waterfalls. It's a beautiful day in January. It's like 60 degrees, so I want to take advantage of it, get out, go hike a little bit, and just check out Crabtree Falls again because I haven't been there for quite a while. So, headed there now, and yeah, I guess I'll bring you guys along the way.
Right here, right now, I put the offer out. I don't want to chase you down. I know you see it. You run with me, and I can cut you free out of the treachery of walls you keep in.
Alright, made it here. Time to go on an adventure, and hopefully we don't slip and fall everywhere because it's pretty muddy. It snowed a few days ago, and now everything's thawing out. So yeah, we'll see how it is.
So trade that typical for something colorful. And if it's crazy, live a little crazy. You can play it sensible, a king of conventional, or you can risk it all and see. Don't you wanna get away from the same old pot you gotta play? 'Cause I got what you need, so come with me and take the ride. It'll take you to the other side. 'Cause you can do like you do, or you can do like me. Stay in the cage, or you finally take the key. Oh, damn, suddenly you're free to fly. It'll take you to the other side.
Okay, my friend, you wanna cut me in. Well, I hate to tell you, but it just won't happen. So thanks, but no, I think I'm good to go. 'Cause I quite enjoy the life you say I'm trapped in. Now I admire you, and that'll show you do. You're onto something, really it's something. But I live among the swells, and we don't pick up peanut shells. I'll have to leave that up to you. Don't you know that I'm okay with this uptown part I get to play? 'Cause I got what I need, and I don't want to take the ride. And I need to see the other side, so go and do like you do. I'm good to do like me. Ain't in a cage, so I don't need to take the key. Oh, damn, can't you see I'm doing fine? I don't need to see the other
Now, is this
side.
really how you like to spend your days? Whiskey and misery and parties and play.
If I were mixed up with you, I'd be the talk of the town, disgraced and disowned, another one of the clowns.
But you would finally live a little, finally laugh a little. Just let me give you the freedom to dream, and it'll wake you up and cure your aching. Take your walls and start them breaking. Now that's a deal that seems worth taking. But I guess I'll leave that up to you.
Well, it's intriguing, but to go would cost me greatly. So what percentage of the show would I be taking?
Well, fair enough, you'd want a piece of all the action. I'd give you 7, we could shake and make it happen.
I wasn't born this morning, 18 would be just fine.
Why not just go ahead and ask for nickels on the dime?
15,
I do 8, 12, maybe 9, 10.
don't you wanna get away to a whole new part you gonna play? 'Cause I got what you need, so come with me and take the ride to the other side. So if you do like I do, so if you do like me, forget the cage, 'cause we know how to make the key. Oh, damn, suddenly we're free to fly. We're going to the other side. So if you do like I do, to the other side. So if you do like me, to the other side. 'Cause if you do, we're going to the other side. We're going to the other side.
Well, we made it up and down the mountain without any injuries. There's some pretty icy patches, but just being careful and watching where we step. And we made it, but super fun and so beautiful seeing everything like half frozen with the water flowing underneath it. I think I got some cool shots, so really happy with that. How'd you like it?
It was so nice to be outside, hanging out with Joji.
Yeah, anyway, just a beautiful day. It's like, I mean, up here it's probably like 50-ish degrees, and still for the end of January it was awesome. But anyway, thanks for watching. Guess I'll see you guys in the next one.